Have you ever wondered how much more engaging learning history might be if we could actually see it unfold right before our eyes? Traditional methods like textbooks and lectures often fall short. They can be one-dimensional and struggle to captivate the imagination, leading to a lack of interest and poor retention. Even videos, though more dynamic, may not fully immerse us in the past. As we progress into the digital age, technologies have emerged to tackle these issues head-on, revolutionizing how we learn and perceive history. The last 2 decades have seen a dramatic shift in the way we learn, thanks to advancements in technology. It all started with the introduction of interactive whiteboards in classrooms. This marked the beginning of a new era where traditional chalk and blackboard took a back seat. Learning was no longer restricted to textbooks and teachers' notes. Interactive whiteboards brought a whole new level of engagement, making learning fun and interactive. Next, we saw the emergence of online learning platforms. These platforms brought education to our fingertips, breaking the geographical barriers. Whether you were in New York or New Delhi, you could learn from the best educators across the globe, right from the comfort of your home. It was a true revolution, making education accessible to everyone, everywhere. But technology didn't stop there. It took another giant leap with the introduction of virtual and augmented reality in classrooms. These technologies made learning more immersive. Imagine learning about the solar system by virtually traveling through space, or understanding human anatomy by examining a 3D model of the human body. These tools made learning not just fun, but also intuitive and practical. However, as impressive as these technologies are, they still lack a certain depth and immersion. They're close to reality, but they're not quite there yet. They've made learning interactive and engaging, yes, but the experience is still through a screen or a headset. These advancements set the stage